Come on.
Okay.
We have to move back so I can get my head in.
Okay, let's do this.
We're doing Yankee Doodle this time, okay?
Woo! Hit it, Buster! Hit it, Buster! Hit it.
Yankee Doodle went 200 riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. La 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 la.
Hey! That's all. How long since we still time limit? Don't shut off. Since we still have time limit, was it sort of be a random, like, usual? I could do it. I could do it. I could do it.
Get up. Let's do trust exercises, but you have to fall forward.
Okay.
Like what you just did.
I didn't turn it
That way, what's that? Let's do it backwards.
He dropped me on the floor.
But it didn't hurt, did it? That went up my butt.
My foot hurts now. Ooh, catapult. Wow!
Don't hit me. You have a couple of seconds left.